Good morning, Jackman. I am Kaylee, and it's the Red Hawk News for Tuesday, April 18th, 2023. This is a reminder. Being on the no activities list will prevent you from going on field trips or participating in the spring fair. Make sure you serve those attentions. There will be SBAC testing next week. All week will be minimum days. Dismissal will be at 12:40 p.m. Open house was last week. There was some celebration going on.
Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here, a celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here, a dedication to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate and party with you. Come on now. Let's all celebrate and have a good time, yeah, yeah. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. Come on now. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright, baby. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright.
Boys volleyball plays today at home against Albioni today. 7th grade plays at 4 p.m. and 8th grade plays at 5 p.m. They play on Thursday at Harris. Track and field. Friday's Spirit Day is NBA Spirit. Wear your favorite basketball team jersey or any jersey. Track and field has their home meet at Valley on Wednesday. It starts at 4 p.m. D&D Club meets today in the library at 3 p.m. Leading Through Adversity Club meets today in C3 at 3 p.m. Garden Club meets on Thursday in the garden at 3 to 4 p.m. in F4. Pride Club meets on Wednesdays at both lunches. Club Life meets on Thursday in F2. Anime Club is meeting Thursday in M5. Robotics Club meets Wednesdays and Fridays after school in D2. This concludes the Riverhawk News. Now remember, Jackman is on the rise, so always be responsible, have integrity, show strength, and show everyone your excellence. Have a great day.